Okay, so I would be filming this outside, but it just started raining. And I have something really incredible to share with you all. So this is a 2024 Mini John Cooper Works that's been done up, you guessed it, like a rally car. And I mean, quite a bit like a rally car. Look at the lights on the grill. These incredible lights. And they look like they've been used too. We got those. They added wheel arches to the sides. Attached all the way across. These wheels with JCW center locks. What wheels are these? ESRs. I want to say these are 18 by 9.5 maybe, or 18 by 8.5. But they could be anything really. Look at that though. And then if you go inside, it gets even crazier. A Cooler Works shifter just adds to the whole rally car look. Now on top of that, you have the Alcantara JCW bucket seats, which I love. And then you come around to the side. They left the chrome trim on it just to make it look classic. And it really did look like a classic rally car when he had it. He even had a roof rack up on the roof. No sunroof, obviously. Just really cool. It has the JCW Pro suspension on it. It has the JCW Pro exhaust on it. And they told me it has a cold air intake, but they don't know which one. So we're gonna find out. Under the bonnet, it has, I don't know, Pro-Ram intake. Okay, so it has a Pro-Ram cold air intake. So similar setup to my Dynan intake, except a little bit more open, obviously. That would explain the whoosh I heard when I was accelerating in here. But all that just creates the cool noises, the cool looks. It's just a cool looking car. And I am genuinely curious how the wheel arches are attached up in here. So it looks like they just wore away or shaved off some of the plastic up underneath. And I think that's all they did to get them to fit. But he even added the sensors back onto these so that it still has the park distance control on the car. So pretty cool. 255 35 ZR18 tires. These are probably 18 by 9.5, I would say. More than likely 18 by 9.5. They're pretty wide, as you can see. And if I come around here, you can really get a good look. So really wide tires with the overall look being a rally car. Just really cool. And it's nicely equipped, fully loaded, has the roof rails. It's chili red with the white roof and the white mirror caps. It has navigation, has head-up display. It really has everything. The shifter is really cool. It's just a neat car. I think they're selling it for $28K, so not a bad price. What's the mileage on it? Maybe I should buy it. I don't need another Mini, but I wouldn't mind one. 53,926. So what I can't find, oh, there it is. So let's hear what it sounds like. So pretty loud, which indicates to me the valve is already open, but pretty impressive. I think it's a neat car. I wouldn't mind owning it myself. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a perfect replica of a mini rally car? And with those rally lights up on the front, I really think it is.